In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add parallax scrolling to your Wix website. Parallax is that smooth, layered motion where your background moves at a different speed than your content as you scroll. It adds depth, makes sections feel more dynamic, and helps guide the eye without overwhelming your visitors. The best part is that it's quick to set up right inside the Wix editor. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor and selecting the strip or section where you want the effect. A strip, sometimes called a section depending on your template, is the full width area that holds your background and the content on top. Click directly on the strip until you see its blue outline and the toolbar for that strip. If you're clicking text or images, click once on empty space within the section or use the breadcrumbs at the top to make sure the strip itself is selected. Next, open the background controls for that strip, click Change Strip Background, then go to Settings and look for the Scroll Effects option. This is the panel where Wix groups movement and reveal styles. If you don't see scroll effects, double check that you're editing a strip background rather than an individual image element, since the Parallax option is tied to the strip's background itself. Once you're in Scroll Effects, enable Parallax. You'll immediately link the background to a slower scroll pace, so it lags behind your content in a subtle cinematic way. If speed and direction controls are available in your template, use them thoughtfully. A slower speed creates a gentle depth cue that feels polished, while a faster setting can feel dramatic but may distract from text. For direction, vertical is the most common because it matches the natural page scroll. If horizontal or diagonal options appear, use them sparingly and only when they support your layout and content. A few practical tips will help the effect shine. Choose a background with visible depth or layers. Landscapes, textures, or soft gradients tend to parallax beautifully. High contrast images work well, but keep text legible on top by using overlays or sufficient spacing. Large media files can impact performance, so optimized images are best. If you're using a video background, some speed controls may be limited. That's normal and depends on the template and media type. Also note that some mobile experiences reduce or disable parallax to preserve performance, so the effect may look simpler on phones. That's all it takes. Select the strip, open Change Strip Background, head to Settings, tap Scroll Effects, enable Parallax, and fine-tune the speed and direction. With a few careful adjustments, you'll add depth and polish to your page in minutes.